Every driver should invest in one of the best dash cams. It doesn't matter what you drive or how you drive it, it's important to keep a log of what happens out on the road. A camera may not be able to prevent accidents, but video evidence is going to make it a lot easier to prove it wasn't your fault. In today's video, we're going to check out the best dash cams of 2022. Number 4. Nexar Beam. If you're looking for something that offers crisp video footage, a discreet and compact design, all for a low price, then the Nexar Beam GPS dash cam might be the one for you. Not only is it a solid and affordable dash cam, it also comes with unlimited access to Nexar's cloud storage platform, so you don't need to worry about preserving your footage after an incident. The companion app isn't great, and it can be tricky to access your cloud space at first, but as imperfect as it might be, the Nexar Beam is still a solid choice that does everything you need out of a dash cam. Number 3. Vantrue S1 Dash Cam. While it isn't perfect by any means, the Vantrue S1 offers a relatively affordable dual-view dash cam setup with solid video recording capabilities. Daytime video recordings are clear and detailed without any coloring issues, and while fuzzier nighttime footage is pretty commendable. While there are several things we change about the Vantrue S1, including certain design features and the lack of more advanced features, all the important things are there. Solid video and audio, GPS, incident detection, and a 24/7 parking guard. Likewise, the menu system is an absolute breeze to use and features a number of context-sensitive buttons. Number 2. Vantrue N2 Pro. If you'd rather save the hassle of having two dash cam modules to cover your front and rear, the Vantrue N2 Pro might be a sold option for you. Not only does it feature an additional lens to cover your rear, it lets you adjust the angle of that lens to better suit the interior of your car. The overall footage isn't the best quality. With some graininess and lens flare, you'll still end up with crisp, clear videos to keep tabs on what's happening on the roads around you. Of course, it's missing a lot of important things like wireless connectivity of any kind, which will make accessing your videos a little bit more difficult. Number 1. Nextbase 320 XR Dash Cam. Experienced dash cameras might mourn the lack of advanced features or 2K recording, but the Nextbase 320 XR makes for a great, no-frills dual-camera solution that undercuts many rivals in its class. Image quality, while not perfect, is more than capable, and its compact, subtle design makes it adaptable for most vehicle needs. If you're after a reliable, affordable double-camera system without the ostentatious box of tricks, and this one solidly fits the bill.